Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So, these are for your general energies. For your relationship and career circumstance, I'll be picking more cards from a different deck. So, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Capricorn. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that, Capricorn. And this reading is an intuitive reading, so it will be better if you watch till the end. At some point of time, you may get clarity regarding some circumstance you are interested to find answers for, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. We have 7 of stars, 8 of stars, sorry guys, 4 of stars, and 6 of stars. So, Capricorn, today you are thinking about something important. You need to make a decision, make a choice today. So, you are trying to change yourself. Maybe you have seen some negative circumstance in the past, something that was worrying you, stressing you a lot. You want to change all that and you want clarity today. So you are thinking about the changes you need to do, you need to make. It may be the changes you wish to make in this relationship, or it may be some changes in your career. Mostly I see it is something to do with your love. So maybe in your circumstances in this connection, you are seeing some troubles, some kind of misunderstanding. Something is not right, and you feel that this person and yourself, you do not share a great understanding. And this person is feeling really hurt. They don't want to talk to you anymore. So they are, what to say, they are criticizing you or blaming you for some reason. And you feel really unhappy. You feel you don't know the way what to do. Maybe you were in a good place in this relationship. You had a beautiful understanding once. But today you are feeling really uncertain, lot of doubts, confusions on your mind, unable to decide the right way for yourself, for this relationship. So the first step to overcome all that is, maybe you should give up all that negative toxic feelings that you have. And there are many reasons you are here in this place, in this relationship. So this person is just one of the reasons. There are many reasons for you to be in this place, in this relationship, and you are also one of the main reason things are happening in this particular way. So you need clarity, understanding, and whatever was not working for you, maybe your ideas or whatever you are thinking of your past, based on this experience, you must try to change yourself, Capricorn. That is going to help you today. That is going to help you a lot today. So it just means that you are, these circumstances are changing you emotionally, changing you mentally, and you are growing. You are growing to be a better person, Capricorn. So we'll see what is the card for your relationship. It's all that glitters in reverse. So, with this card, it just means that in your relationship today, you need to maybe walk away from something. Maybe you're thinking about this relationship, maybe you're thinking about this person. You need to understand that pursuing that person or this relationship will bring you a very difficult situation, and you will be definitely sorry for doing that, because maybe for some of you they are not really honest with you. So you need to understand that though it may be a lot painful, this person is not someone you can try to change. So that is the energy here, and better things are awaiting you, and you can have that trust and faith in a better future. So, right now, instead of being here in this relationship and feeling really sorry, it will do you good if you just walk away from this connection if you feel that this person will never change. This person is not a really honest one, Capricorn. So that is the energy with this card. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card. We have TikTok in reverse. So looks like in your work circumstances, there are some changes happening, something divinely inspired, and it is happening for a reason. So you need to have trust, let go of all that anxiety, and all that is yours, all that is destined to be yours, will always be yours at that appropriate timing. So you can relax, feel happy, give up all that worry and anxiety, Capricorn. So that is the reading with these cards, Capricorn, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So the reading with the first card for those who chose this card. Tambulina, expectations. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe you are an unique person, you are different, and it may be really challenging trying to adapt with the people you have in your life, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, because you are someone different, and it is a challenge to blend in your circumstances. And maybe you may see some rejection in your life, maybe because of the way you are, but you need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and you do not have to accept any relationship you do not love. So you must you should not live for others expectations. You must go for that love that you really want to, and you must be with people you are really comfortable with. You should not try to be with someone with whom you are not at all comfortable with. and you will find the right person who will uh, be the right one for you, who will be uh, what to say, who will be the right one in your circumstances. You will have that respect and caring for each other, and you must give up all those people who do not value you for what you are. So that is the energy with this card. And you must see these challenges as something, some experience that where you learn so much. So that is also the energy here. You must not feel sad or stressed, but see your circumstance as an experience giving you a higher learning today. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Moonstone. So, with this card in your circumstances, your intuition is telling you something, and it is something really important, and you feel that you cannot believe what your intuition is telling you. Maybe your senses are telling you something else. Maybe you see something, you believe in that, you believe in what you see or what you hear, but what your intuition is telling you is something right opposite to what you experience. So it is something you don't want to what to say go for. You don't want to make any decision based on your intuition, but you need to understand that your intuition is right. It is telling you something which cannot be seen by your senses, and your intuition is coming from that conscious universe, that which is part of our subconscious. So you're getting that heeding or that pointers from that conscious universe, and conscious universe is never wrong. So in your circumstances, whatever your intuition is telling you, you must listen to it. And guys, if you practice meditation, if you are interested in meditation and if you practice it, it is going to help you a lot. It is going to increase your intuition, and it is going to give you more clarity in your circumstances today. So in your relationship or in your career, whatever that inner voice is telling you, you must listen to it, and that is going to benefit you. And that is going to benefit you, and that is your primary sense, and you need to be really honest with yourself if you want to make the right decisions and go for the right path today. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.